Hey everyone, welcome to CopyCoached. In this video, we're going to help you get the software set up so you can get writing AI copy super fast, and we're going to help give you a tour of CopyCoached so you know where everything is. Now, the great thing about CopyCoached is what makes it so easy to use at the click of a button is that CopyCoached is designed to generate copy based on the products and services you sell. To get started then, we need to add your products or services to CopyCoached. The way you do that is click on My Products, then you're going to click Add. To start with, you need to put in a product name, your industry, and a product description. Don't worry about the rest of this, we'll add that later. Once you do that, hit Submit. Now, the next thing you want to do is you'll see that there's boxes here for Ideal Customer Avatar and Unique Selling Proposition. These are pieces of information CopyCoached really needs, so we can go and create those using CopyCoached. So the first thing you need to do after adding your product is come over to Marketing Tools, scroll down to Core Messaging, and first we're going to create your ideal customer avatar. This is the person most likely to buy your product or service. Click on this and select the product you just added from the drop-down. You should populate all three of these drop-downs from your first product. So I've selected CopyCoached. We've got a description and an industry. And then here you've got two different models you can use to generate the copy. OpenAI, which is the most advanced model, and you've got EdgeGPT, which is our internal model, which runs a little bit faster. Once you've run one of those, we're going to do EdgeGPT. You'll see this animation, which will let you know that CopyCoached is thinking about the copy you want to generate, and then we'll give you that output right here. Now, when it comes to the ideal customer avatar, you want to save this to your product. So you're going to click Save to Product, and what this is going to do is it is going to put this copy on your clipboard. So you want to scroll down to the ideal customer avatar section, and just to show you, I'll clear this out, you're going to right click and then do paste, and it will paste this copy in right here. So now you'll hit Submit and you have saved your ideal customer avatar. Now, if you recall, we also want to create a USP. So you'll come back here to Tools, click on USP, and you'll do the same thing again. Select CopyCoached or your product, your description, the customer you just created, and now you can also add in testimonials or additional information, and you'll click one of the models, and now it's going to create your USP, just like you created your ideal customer avatar. So there you go, I've got a USP for CopyCoached. Click Save to Product. Remember, now it's on your clipboard. Come down here to your USP section, and you'll just paste that in, and then hit Submit. And you've created your ideal customer avatar and your USP. So if you come back to your product, and you can see that you've got these things populated here, and now you have CopyCoached set up, ready to go, ready to generate tons of copy. So what can you create with CopyCoached? There's a lot of things. You can create blogs, you can create a challenge, you can create an entire course, you can do a nurture sequence for emails, ad copy, Google Ads, lead magnets, press releases, you can create organic posts, and then you can run several different types of utilities we have. You can create a ton of video scripts like a VSL or different types of reels, and you can create website content like for your landing page. You can do long form direct response copy, and then you also have access to a ton of different coaching frameworks like Alaric Hex, YouTube Ad Script, some content from Alex Hormozy like the Dream Outcome, Magic Headline, and Grand Slam bundles. You can create content based on the Story Brand framework, and on. Tons of frameworks here. All you have to do, these things are super easy to use. Just select what you're looking for and select your product and product description, for example, in this Magic Headline example, in your industry, and you click the button, and that's it. And you've generated whatever copy it is you're looking for. Now, you might want to come back to this copy later on, or click the button again to create additional copy. And finding the copy you've created is easy. Simply go to My Library, and this will show you every piece of copy you've created and the date. And all you have to do is click on it, and you'll see the copy that you created from that day based on whatever tool it is that you used. And you can find that in My Library. Now, I want to show you a couple of additional features if you're looking to take your copy to the next level in your experience with CopyCoached. If you're a Plus member, you'll see the Plus tab right here. plus has additional tools and features. We have an additional tool from Alex Hormozy, that's the $100 million lead magnet ideas based on his latest book. We have additional CopyCoached tools to write case studies. We have a chat feature where you can chat with CopyCoached Ed and get additional feedback and help. You can create a roadmap of all the tools that you should use to achieve a certain goal. You can create a soap opera email sequence, and then we have a couple of different sections here that can provide you even greater benefit. The vision tools will allow you to upload a screenshot of your website or your ad and get feedback on it just based on the screenshot. The imagery tool helps you create images from any kind of copy. For example, imagine my customer. So I can come in here, I can select my ideal customer avatar. I'm going to hit go here, and in just a moment, we're going to visualize our ideal customer avatar called Chris. Now I've got an example of my AI avatar, Chris, and you can see that was in the natural style. It'll keep generating different types of imagery based on what you put here. Now, if you want to do different types of images, you can do the freeform tool, and that will let you type in anything you want and generate an image from it. Plus, users also get access to some different bonus softwares here. Once you're done with the trial, we will send you credentials for those. Now, the last thing I want to show you as part of the product tour is Brand Voice Lab. One of the things people say the most about AI copy is, it doesn't sound like me. I want it to sound more like me. How can I get it to do that? And that's why we have the Brand Voice Lab. This is an exclusive feature for our Plus users. So with Brand Voice Lab, the first thing you want to do is click Add. And you're going to select your product, and then you're going to put in a writing sample. This should be a sample that represents the way you write normally. It can be an email, it can be a blog, it can be an essay, just something that feels like you. If you don't tend to write a lot, but you speak a lot, you can also use a transcript of one of your videos here. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to do is you'll see something like this pop up, and you're going to click this button that says Create Style Guide. Once you do that, it's going to analyze your writing and create a style guide based on the way you write. Just like with the USP and avatar, you're going to click Save to Product. You're going to come down here to the bottom, and you're going to see Brand Voice. Paste that brand voice in right there. Now, how do we actually apply this? Now, to apply it, you're going to go back to My Library, find copy that you want to apply that style guide to, and Plus users will scroll down, and you'll see a box down here for style guide. So you select the style guide you just created and hit go, and it's going to rewrite all of this copy in the way that you write it. So it doesn't do it every time, it's just going to do it on the outputs that you choose to from My Library. So that's how you use the Brand Voice Lab. The last thing I wanted to show you is 2 additional parts of CopyCoached. The first is Facebook targeting search. This is going to help you identify detailed targeting options you can use on Facebook based on a single keyword and how you could group those together. So if you've used tools like Interest Explorer before, this does much the same thing, but it's part of CopyCoached and is free to use for all users. The last thing is live coaching. If you need additional help with your business, with marketing, with anything, you can book a live call right from CopyCoached from the live coaching marketplace here. So you can book a call with Tanner, you can go book a call with myself, and we'll happily help you with anything you need with your business. I hope this helps you get started with CopyCoached. It is the most powerful and easiest to use AI copywriting software. If you have any questions at all, come down here, click the support button. We will be happy to help you.